26 crosses line the side of Highway 231. With so many, you can't fit them all on the screen at once.
It's put chills in my body.
And when you get right down to it, that's the idea.
It put it in the scope, you know, when you hear 24 or 27 kids, whatever the number was, you don't understand that number until you see all those crosses going for like a half mile, and then you're like, wow.
Andrew Stanley is one of many who say the weight of the Connecticut tragedy truly hit him when he saw here just how big 26 really is.
The idea is to drive it home to other people.
Denny Hastings says he put up the crosses to give people a new perspective on the tragedy and its victims.
You can hear it unless you're associated directly with it and you see something visually. It's hard to comprehend how bad of a real tragedy it really was.
Now, Hastings says this tragedy hit home for him on many levels. He has grandchildren the same age as some of the victims, including a granddaughter that, as chance would have it, shares the same name and age as Olivia.
It's why you will only see first names on the crosses. Hastings felt people would connect with Madeline, Catherine, and Anna better. They didn't know their last names.
I think if you use a first name, it relates to somebody in somebody's family somewhere, and that brings it closer to home.
So here's another look at 26 crosses, each representing a real-life face that's gone.